Rĩrĩ makiria ma timu 8 cia athaki matakiritie miaka 20 cirehariria ni undu wa mbitika cia gitaru kia Africa cia Barthes. Imwana cia Kenya ni ciharĩirie wega gutetera gikombe giki kwambiriria muthenya wa ruciu. Mwaka muhituku Kenya yahotire imwana cia Madagascar na point 21 kwa 20 na mbitika iciria cirathakirwo kihaaro-ini kia Nyayo cigatirihwo tariki 17 mweri uyu wa kana.
Boys are getting ready, they're getting prepared. Of course, we've been forced to work, with very limited time, or the timelines have been very hard. You can't even compare it to last season in terms of preparation and everything.
Timu ya Kenya aria moikaine ta Timu na rĩrĩ na athaki 37 macaguritwo kuma kaunti cia Kameme, Nairobi, Nakuru, Kajiado, Machakos na Mombasa, aingĩ ao magicagurwo kuma timu-inĩ cia mathukuru.
As far as conditioning is concerned, last year we were better prepared, I might say this, because even though we had some restriction, but we were in a bubble and we got into a camp early enough and we were able to monitor them individually as well as a team.
Good to go, we are ready, but it being an 8-team tournament, I know teams like Namibia, teams like Zimbabwe have also been working very hard. Same to Zambia and even the North Africans, so it's going to be very competitive.
Ngucanio ya mbere ya Kenya muthenya wa ruciu magathaka na timu ya bururi wa Uganda anyitite mirohonge-ini rwa mubira wa gonya bururi-ini makiuga ati uyu ni mweke mwega wa kurera athaki a ruciu.
So them are coming fresh from high school, so they really know putting on the national colors is a very big thing. Again, the quality of competition this year is not the same as last year. As you are aware, last year many teams could not come because of COVID, but this same round it has been expanded to 8 teams.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gicimu.